The machine is equipped with trundle and hand shank, which are convenient to move according to different requirements of watches in different countries, mated into 110V, 220V, 380V, etc. Open power switch, and check whether the machine operates normally or not, whether there is noise or not. If everything is normal, start to operate it. During feed, check the diameter of various electrical cables and width of manshaft groove. Put electrical cable into related feed opening. In case the electrical cable is broken, check whether put it into wrong feed opening or adjust the reed hand shank on the upper part of machine. Turn clockwise and properly adjust the spring tension. Then start to work. If the tool marks of processed materials are too deep or processed materials have fracture of wire, pay attention to the following conditions. 1. Turn the reed screw rod on the upper part anti-clockwise and properly adjust the spring procedure. 2. Check whether it's put into wrong feed opening. 3. The blade of new machine is too sharp. It would operate normally after operating for several hours.